I've been getting a lot of messages asking about my opinion on LED face masks, especially Qure's LED face mask, since so many doctors are recommending it. So let's go through the deets. My first impression when I went through their website was,
this looks promising.
Let's look at their before and after photos. I usually see those along with the reviews to just get a general feedback, but you shouldn't completely trust those. Alright, so the first photograph is a before and after, and it's been used for 8 weeks. And I do see some amount of reduction in the crow's feet, the lines by the sides of her eyes. There's definitely some added glow and brightness to her skin, but again it depends on the lighting. The second before and after was something that really showed a lot of promise, because it's just after 4 weeks we don't see any of the red inflamed boils on the face. There are no marks, there's no post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. So this seemed to work very well for her. The next photograph does show that it helped in fading the pigmentation that was associated. Probably she had acne before. This was just after 4 weeks. And they have another image where just in general the face looks more lifted. Her under eye area definitely looks more uniform. Her skin texture has improved. But again, if you see, there's a little play of lighting over here. So when I look at these from a clinical and a general perspective, I must admit
it is impressive.
But again, I'm not sure if these patients only use the mask as monotherapy to achieve the results that they have achieved. They use a combination of treatments to achieve this kind of result, because the time duration is pretty short and many things come to mind. So I did a little more digging. But before we delve into the details, I want to answer the question, does red light therapy or do these LED light therapy devices have an actual effect? There is a lot of research that showcases the power of red light to improve health and treat disease, and it is really gaining momentum. We are learning that red light and infrared light therapy can benefit virtually every system of the body and can even improve the way you look. It can help you shed inches of fat, reduce the signs of aging, regrow hair, increase the results you get from your workouts, reduce pain, speed healing, boost hormonal health, and lower inflammation. A review of research conducted by a Harvard professor, Dr. Michael Hamlin, has found that red light and near-infrared light therapy can reduce the signs of damage, specifically DNA damage, and aging caused due to ultraviolet radiations, reduce wrinkles, reduce color patches, hyperpigmentation, and skin discoloration. It can enhance collagen synthesis and collagen density. Research has shown that it can enhance the production of collagen by as much as 31%. It can accelerate repair in the epithelial layers of the skin. It can combat other skin conditions like acne, vitiligo, herpes virus sores, burns. It can help speed wound healing by enhancing skin tissue repair and growth of new skin cells. I can really go on for hours sharing the research on this topic. I'll try to consolidate and give you kind of the entire picture maybe in another video. Let me know if you'd like to learn more in the comments below. As far as my clinical experience goes, I have seen excellent results with phototherapy, light therapy in general that we use in the clinic, as well as specific LED therapy devices for hair growth. I had shared that in a previous video. I've seen lasers work very well. I know a lot of my colleagues in the biohacking community have benefited from red light therapy panels, but have I personally experienced the benefit of LED masks, specifically for the face and neck area? I have just got started and will definitely share my updates in the coming months and years. So make sure you have subscribed to the channel so that you don't miss out on any new updates or videos that get uploaded. Alrighty, so now you have an idea that red light therapy holds promise and can be a good tool in your armamentarium towards achieving healthy skin. The important question then is,
which one to choose?
There are so many out there in the market. You literally have those that cost only $100 to those that cost over $1,000.
Are they all the same?
Not in my opinion. The quality of the bulbs, their spacing, the range and intensity of light delivered by them, the mask's usability, functionality, all these are very important points to consider. For me, Qure's LED mask, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing the name correctly, but I'll call it Qure.
Sure.
Qure. Alright, but Qure ticked off a lot of boxes without being too heavy on the pocket. The Q-Rejuvalight Pro LED mask is FDA cleared for at-home use, and it combines 5 clinically proven wavelengths to actively treat the entire face. And it is designed to treat a variety of skin concerns. It is said to use the same technology that we use for devices in our clinics, but I think the best part is that it serves as an affordable option, and it is very convenient since you can take the sessions comfortably at home. Let's look at the specifics. The treatment time is only 3 minutes. This is very impressive because this means that you actually don't have to waste a lot of time getting the sessions. They have received certifications from the FDA, TGA, CE, 𝐂𝐇𝐀𝐏𝐄. In terms of its operation, it is wireless and hands-free, which is again something that you really want to consider when you are opting for any kind of these face masks or hair masks that are available today. A few of them are plug-in devices that restrict mobility,
And that's no fun.
the wavelengths of light incorporated into the device include the blue light, amber, red, deep red, and infrared. So far, the specs seem great and perfect. Let's look at the usage and functionality. You need to use it daily after cleansing your face and before you apply any of your topical skincare products. And when you use the device, you'll see that it has 2 modes, the anti-aging and the anti-breakout mode. For the anti-aging mode, it uses all 5 wavelengths of the light spectrum, that is blue, amber, red, deep red, and near infrared. The clinical studies have shown that it has been found to boost collagen, it helps smoothen fine lines, and even helps with skin firmness. It helps with increasing the radiance of the skin, fade dark spots, and promotes an even toned complexion, and we actually saw those in those before and after photographs. It can also help reduce inflammation and thus help with acne and rosacea. The anti-breakout treatment mode is specifically for those with acne. For this kind of targeted treatment, it uses the blue and the red light wavelength, that is 415 nanometers and the 630 nanometers respectively. The mask has been found to reduce acne by as much as 83.3%. It regulates oil production, it speeds up the healing process and helps to fade the post-acne or the post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. It helps soothe the redness and calms the skin. And definitely along with this, I would recommend trying to find out the root cause of your acne to actually eliminate it for good. So you can actually customize and choose which mode you need to use based on your skincare concerns and needs. And they have mentioned that it is suitable for Fitzpatrick skin type 1 to 4.
Does this mean that those having very dark skin types can't use it?
I don't think so. But we know that people of skin of color in general have very different dynamics and responses to light. And this is because of the increased level of melanin in the skin. And hence I would recommend first finding or consulting with your dermatologist to see if it is the best option for your skincare need and concern. Am I excited to try this device?
Definitely.
It looks solid, it is made up of good quality. I have used it for a few weeks now and find it very easy to use. It is travel friendly. It fits a busy lifestyle since it delivers a fully personalized LED treatment in quick 3 minutes. It also comes with an app, and that will help you track, schedule, plan, and customize your treatments. And honestly, I don't think it is a very expensive investment. It is a one-time cost for a device that you can use for a long period of time.
I know of so many skincare topical creams that are much more expensive than such devices.
Qure has also generously offered a special discount code for all of y'all so that you can benefit and get an even sweeter deal. I will keep you posted on my journey with its use. Let me know if you have any experience with this LED face mask or if there is one that you have personally tried and loved. When you do, please also share your skin type and what was your target skincare goal, if any, so that those reading it can have a better and a more honest idea from your experience. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Continue to glow, thrive and shine as always. Take care. I'll see you soon.